Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here with a quick tip for how to plan your memory wire bracelet on beading wire. So here's a finished piece that I did, and it's a memory wire bracelet that I made using some size 10-0 Delica seed beads, and this comes in a mix, so you can imagine the process that it takes to get each of these segments of rainbow beads onto the memory wire. And I found as I was going along, I was losing track of the colors a little bit, having to string and restring my beads. So what I came up with was a way of staging my process on this basic beading wire by stringing on and then transferring my beads onto the memory wire. So once I got my sections on, I was able to quickly and easily just grab a section with my fingers and slide it on like so. And that helped me keep track of the order of the colors and the beads in between that I was using as spacers, like so. So this was what I ended up doing, and it really sped up my process, saved my sanity a bit. So I string my beads all the way down. And you'll also find, depending on how many rotations of memory wire you're using, that sometimes it'll get a little bit stuck on itself and the beads will tangle. So this again helps with the process of not having to string and restring your beads and deal with all that. So I hope you found that helpful, and please visit Beadaholique.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.